Okay, your topic is an interesting neighbor. Describe an interesting neighbor.
Today my topic is an interesting neighbor. Neighbors are just like family in this era. I have many neighbors, and fortunately, I have all of them very good and very cooperative. But here, I would like to mention one of my next door neighbor. She is also my good friend. Her name is Amna, and I have known her from past 10 years. And as she moved here 10 years ago in our neighborhood, and we go for walk in the morning daily on daily basis, and I like to discuss her with her each and everything. We share our daily routines, and she has a good taste of shopping, so I always like to go shopping with her, and she is very cooperative. We share almost every recipes which we tried at our home, and we gift each other.
Okay, that's good. You've spoken for 1 minute. Just try to use some connecting words. Additionally, moreover, your language is good, your grammar is strong. Okay, you just need to connect your ideas together and speak more confidently and energetically. Now, we move on, speaking part 3. What are the qualities of good neighbor?
Neighbors are in today's life. Neighbors are just like family. Firstly, they should be very cooperative, and they are also at your doorstep, next to doorsteps. So they should be available at the call in the time of emergency. So I would like to say that neighbors are very important in your life.
Excellent. Thank you. Good job. Keep it up.